What is going on, you guys? It is Xavier. It is currently almost 2 in the morning right now. Had a super long day today. Had both of my jobs and basketball practice, and I kind of just got home. Just took a shower, and I leave for Oregon later today. Super excited. I need to get some sleep right now, but I'm gonna try to vlog for the first time. I vlogged one other time, but this is gonna be like a big, super long vlog. I want to take you guys to every single state. I want to visit every state, and I'm starting off with Oregon because I'm a big waterfall fan, and it's gonna be real fun. I'm gonna get some sleep. I can't wait to show you guys like the waterfalls. I'm gonna see like 20 waterfalls in these 4 days. I'm gonna go to the Nike headquarters. I got invited to take. Oh, I ain't gonna say that. Let me stop playing. I'm not gonna let y'all get everything, but it's gonna be fun, and I'm gonna take you guys with me. And stay tuned. Let's get it.
What's going on, y'all? We just got to the airport. Just checked my bag in. We're gonna head to security, and we're gonna be big chilling. I'm not gonna get too much of the airport, some content of the airport, just because you know how it is. I'm trying to get there, and then that's when we're really gonna get to it. So stay tuned.
Any passengers for Salt Lake?
What's up, you guys? Let me tell you what just happened to me. So I board the plane. Everything's fine. We go through the little flight attendant seatbelt check thing, and he moves the plane. We're about to leave. I'm telling everyone I'm about to head out. I'll text everyone back when I land. We're sitting there for like 30 minutes, and we hear the pilot, and he's like, "Look, I don't have any more flight hours to take you guys to Portland, and legally I can't take you. So right now we're just gonna wait to see if we can get another pilot with enough flight hours that can take you guys, or we might have to get off the plane and figure it out from there." So everyone is pissed. It's a full plane. So we wait for another 45 minutes, and we hear him again. So no other pilots are coming. So we're gonna get off the plane, and we're thinking, okay, when we get off the plane, we're just gonna go to another plane. Our next flight is at 7:45 in the morning tomorrow. So they gave us a free hotel. We have to go to customer service and get that free hotel, free breakfast voucher. And yeah, so isn't that insane? Everyone is so mad, and I'm about to go right now to get that hotel. But that just kind of puts a wrench in some of my plans. I planned on, when I got to Oregon, to go to Walmart and get some water, get some food, because nothing's going to be open for Thanksgiving. But I can't do that, so we're going to have to figure it out, and I'll update you guys. Just kind of wanted to let you know what's going on. We're already starting, and we didn't even start the trip yet, so stay tuned, y'all.
Here we go. Going to a hotel in my own state.
Next stop, East Conway Live. America's friendliest airport.
Let's see what we got. This is our room for the night. I would say shout out American Airlines, but I'm kind of mad I have to get this room. I should be in Oregon right now. I should be showing y'all where the light at. I should be showing y'all what the hotel looking like in Portland. I ain't gonna hold you. Hold up, y'all. We are. Am I tripping? Okay. This is the room. We're gonna be in. We're gonna be in here tonight. Look at the bathroom. It's not too bad. Not too bad. I ain't gonna lie to you. Not too bad. So yeah, we in AZ, but first thing tomorrow morning, get some free breakfast. Get some free breakfast and get out of here. Head to Portland. Guys, it is currently 5:30. I wasted no time getting up and getting ready. Let's get this free breakfast and let's get to the airport to see how we can get on this flight. I am too tired. I'm just trying to be in Portland already, so let's get to it. Another day. Oh, just want to peep the fit. Got the Dennis Rodman with the high top. You feel me? Damn, I'm the only one in here. Only one. Let's get on this flight. Let's get to it. Finally. Now to the rental car. You guys don't understand how exciting this is. Y'all really don't understand. Too hype. Stepping outside. Let's feel it. Oh shit. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. Y'all are tripping. And then yeah, I can just take off. That's all it is to it. Yes, sir. It's a little car, but hey, peep. Let's see if it works. There's a lock bar. Okay, how do you? Pound 2, 4, 6. I think that's what he said. Yeah, y'all. It's about that time. It's about that time, y'all. Uh-oh. Come on, trunk. I can do that, that's fine. I can do that too. This is my rental car. Just like that. Just like that, y'all. Just like that. She has arrived, y'all, for the vlog. Say hi to the camera.
Hi, camera.
Caitlin couldn't push the button, but it's fine. Harvard. All right, y'all. What's the plan, Caitlin? What are we doing today?
More coffee. And I don't know what waterfall we're going to.
Waterfall, Multnomah. Stay tuned. Oh, hold up now. I'm looking kind of. Hold up now. Hold up. First time looking at the room.
I don't think my card works right now.
The other way. Push. Ooh. This is nice. Nice little room. Little view. Setup. I know you like the chest mount. Shout out to Amazon. Are you ready to go? Let's see the fit. Do a fit check real quick for us. No. We got the
Dirty sneakers.
What are those? We got the black on black. Okay. You got the Nike Gore-Tex 5s. Y'all need them. Amazon rain, water resistant. And then with the white tee. So let's get to it. I'll show y'all when we get to the waterfall. It's gonna be lit. Uncut. Look at the moss.
I hear more water, guys. Oh, what? Look at this. Whoa. Look at this. I don't know if y'all can see all the way up. Look at that. Wow. I should get my camera out right now. Excuse me. Guys. Wow. First day was a success. Finally eating Denny's. Everything was closed. Only thing I could find. Stay tuned for day 2. I'm about to take a shower and go to sleep. And yeah, we got big plans for day 2. Yeah. What's up, you guys? Day 2. I got the little gloves. We all fitted for the day. So Safeway is the first step. We have to get water. I barely drank water yesterday. We're gonna put everything back in the hotel. Then we're driving an hour and 30 minutes to Silver Falls State Park. We're gonna hang out there, and then let me not tell y'all the rest. Just stay tuned. It's gonna be lit. We should have woke up earlier, but it's all good. Let's get to it. It is 7 in the morning, and on this beautiful day 2, we are going to Voodoo Doughnuts. We heard from a lot of people that it is like the nicest donut place. They have the maple, sugar, brown, cinnamon. I'm kidding, it's something crazy like that though. Voodoo Doughnuts, looks nice. Voodoo Doughnuts, where you at? There you go ahead. Well, this is fire.
That sounds really good.
This is fire. Is Bosa better? I think this one might be Bosa. I ain't gonna lie to you. What do you think of?
This is so good.
This might be Bosa, y'all. Guys, we are here. It was an hour and 30-minute drive. There is nobody here. Look at that. Nobody's even here. So we're gonna have the best time ever. I know y'all see the, is it raining? Anyways, I know y'all see the ski mask with the fit. So yeah, let's get to it. We are on our way. The Trail of 10 Falls. Whoa! Whoa! Y'all see that? That is huge. So, mind you, this is called the Trail of 10 Falls. This is 1 out of 10 falls that there is on this trail. This is a 7-mile trail that goes through all of these waterfalls. And I think South Falls, which is this one, is the best one. Just so y'all can get a look. Look at the whole scenery. But I'm gonna go down there to take some pictures because people can walk down. That is dope. I cannot cap to you. All right, ready? Yeah. No, Multnomah's, I think, because you see how Multnomah had 2 waterfalls? Okay, she's just taking pictures and she's ignoring me, but it's fine. This is dope, y'all. Kayla, come on. I lost her when I was at Multnomah, so we're trying really hard not to get lost because she likes to just wander off. Kaylin, come on. Guys, this is dope. Yo, what? What? There has to be a way to go over there. I need to get closer. Ooh. I need to go closer, y'all. There's another waterfall right here. I don't know what it is. Smells like weed. Whoa. Y'all. Someone's smoking here. Y'all. Do y'all see this? This is insane. Look.
You got pictures of you?
Another waterfall. So now we are going behind the waterfall. Oh, I should have got that guy talking to us on the vlog, but I was using my phone. This dude named Dave gave us his map. It's in my pocket. So this trail is like huge. It's not like we can just walk the trail and get to all the waterfalls. So we're gonna see what we can do if we can get some more. And this is South Falls, and they have a lower South Falls if we turn around and keep going straight. Need to protect my camera, but we are directly behind the falls right now. Yo. I'm not gonna take pictures with my camera on this one. This is just good for the vlog. Okay. This is dope, y'all, I can't lie. This is dope. All right, guys. We are leaving behind the falls, and we are going to continue our journey to seeing all these waterfalls. I have to leave at 2 at the latest, though, so I don't have as much time in the world to get another big good look at this. It's wild, I know. My camera is all wet, which isn't good, but sorry, you guys.
No problem. We got a picture here.
Right here? Okay.
For my mom. Oh, for me. My nose is gonna put for you.
Okay.
We don't have to.
Come on, that's fine. What you doing on your phone? Excuse me, you guys. When you guys take a picture of us, please?
Yeah, I can do that for you.
Thank you.
Don't have him do it. He'll probably do it better than me.
Okay. Let's get on 0.5, please. Out my gloves.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
You wanted vertical or side?
Vertical, please.
All right.
Other side. Ooh, it's cold.
Right on, guys. It's great.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I like it. That's actually really good.
Why do I look like that? Every goddamn picture.
Oh, hold up. That was nice. Why did it get all bright?
Why you look good? Oh, and then I look like a fucking dwarf.
What you mean? Oh, no. We're on our adventure to South Falls, to the lower South Falls. The one we just saw was South Falls. There's another one. So y'all are on the journey. Y'all are on the journey. South Falls. I wonder which one is the biggest fall. I wonder if it's the one we just saw. That's fine.
Actually,
Yeah, you do. Yeah, you do. You just want what, Caitlin? Well, we're vlogging right now, okay? We can't argue on the vlog. First time ever meeting you guys. Isn't that crazy?
that's 4 years.
4 years of friendly chit chat. Make this impulsive trip. She just wants to tag along. No, you just want to tag along. She just forced herself. Excuse me. Are we close? Are we close to the South Falls?
South Falls would have been
The other
those
South
ones.
Falls.
These will be, I can't remember what, the lower South
The
Falls.
lower South Falls.
Yeah,
Right?
there's gonna
Staircase
be-
you go down.
Yeah, you go down some stairs. You'll hear it around the corner.
Okay.
But then, then you'll make your
5
way
minutes
up.
out or something.
Are you
Cool.
guys going the whole 7 mile, 8 mile thing?
I'm gonna try. If we don't die.
You won't die. It's fun.
It's not that bad.
Nope. Just follow the placements.
The stairs are
of
the
things with
steep
big-
coming this way,
deep
but it's
pedals.
long, mellow trail coming back up.
Okay, but it's pretty self-explanatory. The whole 7 is all
Should
pretty.
be.
Okay.
When you come to the crossing, you'll see, according to your map,
Yeah.
going up or going down and in more.
Okay, for sure. Thank you so much. Cool. All right, guys. We're gonna do this whole 7 miles because that's what we came here for, right? Right, Caitlin? We're gonna do this. Wish I put this more for like later or in the middle because I have a feeling this will be my favorite state outside of Hawaii, maybe. Y'all see that? Ain't that crazy? This is crazy. Let me put the map up. Guys, this is wild. If you're traveling with the mirrorless camera or any camera, make sure you have an ND filter. Your pictures will be too bright without one. ND filters are very important. Guys. ND filters are very important. How you doing? Hello. Oh, this waterfall is making me. This might be just as good as the other one. Because we're allowed to. Nah, I take it back. Which one's better, South Falls or lower South Falls? Which one, you guys? Put in the chat. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm seeing. I'm trying to get down all these stairs. Guys. Look at this. Oh my, and you can go behind this one as well. Oh my, guys. Oh, almost twisted my ankle. Guys. Guys, my phone's at 50, so I'm gonna try to like record the good stuff, but we are behind the lower South Falls right now. Y'all, there's water going everywhere. Yo! Kaylin, look at this. Y'all, look at this. What in the world? Come here. Oh, I don't know if I can get over there. We're gonna try, but. What's up, y'all? We gotta get out of here by 2 p.m. and it's already about 11:45. We took a little too long at the South Lower Falls, so we're going back to where we parked, and we're gonna try to drive to North Falls. So yeah, because you see how South Falls had South Falls, and then we saw Lower South Falls. North Falls has North Falls and Upper North Falls. So we're gonna try to hurry up and drive there, closer to that waterfall, instead of walking 5 miles to get there. So we can see that waterfall, so we can get out of here by 2 at the latest. It's an hour and a half drive. We're gonna change, and the next step is, I wanna tell y'all, but I can't. So that's what we're doing. We are headed out. We are cutting time super close. So we're leaving, an hour and 30-minute drive back. I'm all muddied up, about to change. Excuse me, guys. About to change when we get back to the hotel. And yeah, we're gonna change, and then I'll show you guys. I haven't told you guys yet what the next plan is. Look at the icicles. Watch this, wait. Look at the icicles, y'all. You see that? That's insane. But yeah, we're getting back. There's no service though, so we're gonna be lost until we get some service so we can put it in our GPS. Yep. Bro, this trip is so fun. This trip is so fun. I ain't gonna lie. Hey y'all, we're back to it. We're about to go under this waterfall. So pretty out here. It's like a little cave. Oh man, guys, this is wild. Here we go, y'all. Yo. This is the cave he was talking about. Y'all, are you kidding me? That is wild. Kaylin. Guys, look at this. Look at this. All right, y'all. We came back because we are going to the Portland Art Museum. We had some technical difficulties, so it closes pretty soon, but we're good. It closes really soon. However, oh shit, we gotta turn again. Take some pics at the art museum. Where is it? It's over here somewhere. I think there's some steps right here.
Where is it?
It was right here. Let's go.
You're not cold.
A little bit. The content is worth more than the cold. We'll be right back. This is dope because they all came from his phone. Like, these are his pictures that he gave to this museum. Oh no. That's dope. Okay.
Here's going to a museum.
This exhibition takes a fresh look at the museum's collections, bringing together work from diverse places, cultures, and time periods that are not typically. All of these are made out of pennies. What?
Y'all, what's going on? I was gonna go to Latrell Waterfall, but my body is so beat. These past 2 days, I've been hiking. So today's gonna be a chill day. I was gonna go to the Nike headquarters, but it's closed on the weekends. So the pass I got was for nothing, but it's okay. I'm just gonna get some breakfast, then just chill out. Take some pictures of me in the city with my camera until 5 o'clock. And then we're going to Portland State to take pictures of their basketball team. I got invited out there to take pictures for them. My boy, UU, he goes to Utah Tech. I've been playing basketball with him forever. He plays Portland State, so that's gonna be dope. See my boy play at the D1 level. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. And then I leave tomorrow morning around 8. So let's get to it.
Just walking the city. It's 33 degrees out. Going to Einstein's again. I just got put on with a bagel for the first time. Never had a bagel in my life before this. And because it was so good, we're going again. Caitlin leaves in a couple hours. Then it's just gonna be me. Might hit up the piano store before I go to Portland State. All right, so someone took out, the reason there's all this construction going on, someone took out their light pole and all their power's out.
but they said I can play. They have a cake Hawaii. Let's see. This one's 16,000. Let's see how it plays. Interesting, guys. This is dope. What is that sound? Let's see what else we got. Yamahas. They have a $149,000 Steinway. Are you kidding me? Wait a minute. Hold up now. This is a concert grand. I wonder, probably like a 10-foot grand. Bro, that noise is irritating me. What's up, y'all? We are headed to Portland. It's right here, the basketball court, Portland State. Yeah. This shit's about to be mad dope, y'all. I swear on everything. I should take this. You know what? I'm gonna take this off. I don't want them to think like this dude's recording. I'll put it back on when I get to the court. You can kind of see the courts right here. Be right back. I'm good.
Oh, I thought you were recording. All right, y'all, let's get to it. I gotta shake up you at least once. I gotta shake up you at least once. Yeah, you. Yeah, you. All right, let me get started, y'all. I gotta get ready. Checking back in with y'all. So, Portland State's been up by like 15 points all game. There's 2 minutes left. Oh, Utah Tech is coming back, y'all. Let's see what happens. Utah Tech, they on a 10-0 run right now. Uh-oh. Woo! Bro, they tied the game up. This is the first time the game has been tied. Well, minute 42. They've been down by 15 all game. This is crazy. Guys, I'm so exhausted. Walking back to the apartment after the game. It's about a 15-minute walk, so I didn't want to take the car because every time you take it out of the parking garage, you have to pay. So I just decided to walk there. It's freezing. Good game. Utah Tech lost by 3. I'm gonna try to edit and get these pictures out, but I got invited to go roller skating, but I don't know if I'm gonna do that because I'm exhausted, like extremely exhausted. And I have to be up early. I head back tomorrow. Plane leaves at 8:45. This is probably gonna be the last video of the night, unless I go roller skating. Oh man, long night. I should go roller skating, but I just can't. My body hurts. Fun day though, fun trip. Oh man, I need to come back. Still so many waterfalls I need to see here. I only saw 4. Tunnel Falls and Latrell Falls are the 2 biggest ones I really want to see. But until next time, this is gonna be my last video of the night. I'm gonna head out and go to sleep, take a shower, edit these pictures. And yeah. Fun night. I really gotta go to bed soon though. Early flight tomorrow. Hold up, y'all don't know about this. Hold up. Y'all don't know about roller skating. I be getting down for real. Back at Great Skate in Rolero, back in AZ. Hold up. I'm going so fast right now. Hold on now. Say I won't jump right now. I'm capping. Look at my guy right here. He's going stupid. Oh, okay. Hey. The light up roller skates is kind of lit. Yeah. Oh yeah. All right, y'all, have a good night. I'm gonna get back to the room, take a shower, go to sleep. and let's get out of Oregon. Fun trip for sure. Look how pretty this is. Looking getting scary though, I'm not gonna lie. This is a lot of fog. Headed to the long-term parking garage to return this rental car. And we outie. Portland, it was fun. Rental car is gone. Put his keys back in the little key holder. And we are good to go. Time to head back home. Time to head back home. Myself a little souvenir. Some Mata pizza. My flight boards in 20 minutes, so I gotta eat quick. Here. About to board right now. Look at the fog. This is insane. All right, y'all, I'm back at home. Thank you guys for being on my journey with me. I am super tired. I have work early tomorrow when we get back to normal life. I can't wait for the next trip. And yeah, I think it's gonna be Florida, but it could be Maryland. It could be Washington, just because I love the waterfalls I saw in Oregon, and I heard Washington's very similar. But on the list is Florida, so we might have to pull that off next. And yeah, so appreciate y'all. Stay up.